Dairy-free spinach soup is our recipe for the day. ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Very simple, super tasty soup. The ingredients list for you. Let's start with our soup. I added a teaspoon of butter to a pan and finely chopped garlic. Just lightly browning it, added half a small onion which is also finely chopped, and to this adding in blanched spinach, almost a bunch. After a couple of minutes, I'm just blending the entire mixture and keeping it aside. Again into a pan, adding a teaspoon of butter, finely chopped carrots, sauteing it. To this, finely chopped garlic is being added, and also a small cup of finely chopped mushrooms. Sauteing it for a few minutes till they are light brown, and adding in the blended paste of spinach which we had already prepared. Adjust the water consistency to what you require, and also the salt and pepper according to taste. Let it boil for a couple of minutes till you get the consistency of the soup that you want. Ta-da! It's ready. How easy is it? For more such easy, extremely simple recipes, do check out my YouTube channel, Parimala Jaggesh. And yes, don't forget, if any one of you in your friend circle, family circle is looking out for dietary counseling completely online from the things available from your kitchen, one WhatsApp to the number above and we will connect with you.